50 years after the legendary Lotus Esprit first appeared at the 1975 Paris Motor Show, a new British company named Encor has brought the icon back to life in spectacular fashion. Known for its starring role in a classic James Bond film, the original Esprit was admired for its futuristic wedge styling, but never received a full singer-style reimagining. Encor has now changed that with its Series 1, a carbon-bodied revival that blends retro design, modern engineering, and supercar performance. The team behind Encor includes former engineers from Lotus, Aston Martin, and Koenigsegg, making it clear this is no casual tribute. Their goal was to restore the essence of the original Esprit while elevating it to a level that matches today's high-performance machines. The famous Giugiaro-designed silhouette remains, but every line has been sharpened and refined. The old two-piece fiberglass shell has been replaced with a seamless, autoclaved carbon fiber body, giving the car a dramatic new presence while drastically reducing weight. One of the standout features is the return of pop-up headlights, now upgraded with ultra-compact LEDs hidden in sleek housings. The wheels mix cues from the original S1 and the later Sport 350, offering a balanced blend of heritage and performance. Under its carbon skin, the engineering is serious. Each Series 1 starts as a late 1990s Lotus Esprit V8 donor car. Encor strips it down completely and rebuilds the powertrain with forged pistons, larger injectors, improved turbos, modern cooling, and a stainless steel exhaust. The revitalized twin-turbo V8 now produces around 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, all while keeping the target weight under 1,200 kilograms. This allows the reborn Esprit to sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 4 seconds and reach a top speed near 175 miles per hour, finally delivering the performance the original car's exotic looks always promised but never achieved. The transmission is heavily upgraded as well. Encor strengthens the 5-speed Quaife gearbox with revised ratios, a reinforced shaft, a twin-plate clutch, and a limited-slip differential. The goal is to eliminate the fragility that once characterized the Esprit's drivetrain. Suspension receives Sport 350-style tuning, AP racing brakes provide serious stopping power, and the hydraulic steering remains intact to preserve the car's renowned driver feedback. Inside, the cockpit blends 1970s charm with modern craftsmanship. The tartan details and sloped dashboard return, but the materials and build quality are thoroughly modernized. A machined aluminum instrument binnacle houses a digital display, adding a futuristic touch without compromising the classic aesthetic. Only 50 examples will be produced, each priced from £430,000 plus taxes and the cost of the donor car. Deliveries are set to begin in 2026. The big question now? Would enthusiasts choose this reborn Esprit over a Porsche 911 Restomod? For many, the answer might be yes.